Are you inspired to be an influencer and want to know how you can monetize this influencer state? I'm going to show you how to set up Amazon affiliate links and Amazon affiliate influencer page in 10 minutes.
Sorry if it's hard to catch my vibe. I need a lover to trust. Tell me you're on my side. Are you down?
What's up, guys? TJ here with another video. If you like these types of videos, please like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Also hit that bell icon so you can get notifications whenever I release new videos. Today's video is going to be about Amazon affiliate influencer page. That's a lot of words to say in one little small section. But this Amazon affiliate influencer page, it's actually an invite only program where Amazon, if you are an Amazon affiliate and you have Amazon affiliate links, they will actually send you an invite to become an Amazon affiliate influencer. What that means is you can actually create a Amazon web page and choose different, you can curate different items that you want in one store. My store actually features like film things, different tech gadgets and different things like that, things that I promote on a daily basis, and I can actually just funnel people to that influencer page, and then I get a commission on the purchase if anybody purchases anything from my page, and also you get a commission if people purchase things not on your page. So I'm going to show you how to set up your Amazon affiliate influencer page from start to finish. Alright, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is you want to go to your Amazon affiliates website. So this is assuming that you've already went through the process of becoming an Amazon associate. If you have not, just go ahead and sign up for Amazon Associates and get into the affiliate program, and then you can request an invite to become an influencer, or they may send you an email saying you've been invited to become an influencer, and that's what I did. I got an invite to become an influencer. All right, so on your page, once you submit your application, it'll say, your application has been approved and your account is not active. Now, if it's not active, it'll show right here like it's inactive until they actually approve it. So once they approve it, this is going to be your affiliate site or your affiliate link. Now, you can create just a website page or a URL. You can buy one and you can have it funneling to this page. So eventually I'm going to, once I build my influencer page all the way up with everything I want to have, I'll just make, URL TJ's, Amazon TJ, blah, 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 something like that. That way people can just go to that website and click on it and they will actually be on my site. So once you go down, you can upload a banner here. I've not uploaded one yet, but I can upload a banner here. Let's see if I can actually do this now, since I have a banner made somewhere. I think I saved it on my desktop. Let's see what that's gonna look like. We're gonna save that for now. So I can go back here and I'm gonna take this to new videos every week. This is my banner for my YouTube channel. Looks cool, and it will make like congruency across all of my platforms. All my platforms, I'm trying to use the same imagery, so that way people know that it is indeed me. So with that being said, you can go here, you can change your page title. Mine is just going to be TJ Lovelady, and my page tagline, which is going to be great in every walk of life. Now here's another cool thing that Amazon does for you, is they will actually give you a check mark once you're verified as whoever you are, whatever whatever brand you identify with. They'll actually give you a verification. So I've actually already gone through the verification process so that I am an approved person that is myself, if that makes any sense. All right, the next thing that you are going to want to do is go up here to influencer and hover over your thing, and then you can go to, well, actually, let's go to my new programs first so we can talk about this a little bit. I've not really dove deep into this, but there are some perks to being an influencer within Amazon Associates. You can do giveaways. You can actually create merch. So if you saw my last video about creating merch, then you will know you know, when you do have like a print on demand thing, you can actually do that with Amazon, which is kind of cool. You can also have Amazon promo codes. Everybody likes promo codes, and you can have your own Amazon branded promo code, and you will get a commission off of every time somebody uses your promo code. You can also create video shorts, and there are some sort of fashion perks. You can read all about this once you get inside of your influencer page. So let's go right here to influencer, and we'll go to my page. Now, I've not built out my page as much as I would like to, but we're going to start with one fresh, and we're just going to kind of go through it together. So right here is view your reporting. So this is going to take you back to your reporting, your normal reporting page. If you are in Amazon Associates, you know what I'm talking about in terms of the actual reporting of your income. So I have two pages right now. This is my normal influencer page, and this is the one I created for this video, TJ's Tech Stuff. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through and we're going to find some stuff. So you can have various different aspects of your influencer store. So I can have a tech, I can have a videography type of thing, I can have a photography type of thing. I can also have a theme for household stuff, just whatever I want to do. But I like to categorize it where I just have tech stuff in one thing. So to create one of these, all you have to do is click create idea list, and it's just going to ask you to name your idea list. So this one I just named it TJ's Tech Stuff. Let's click on that, and all right, so right here is going to show all the products that you have added to your list. Now, it's super easy to add stuff to your list. I'm just going to show you how to add stuff to your list and kind of how to curate products that really shows your brand. So this is what is this? This is a 3-port USB-C hub with card reader. I'm actually going to do a review on this product right here in the next few days. It's going to be coming out, so check that out if it's not out already. So I'm going to show you what you need to do. So the first thing you got to do is you get back to your Amazon, just your regular Amazon Prime. And I like tech stuff, so what I'll do is I will go here to departments, and we'll go right here to Echo. I want to add the Echo devices. So I have several of these Echo devices around my house. I love them, so I want to have these in my store. So what you have to do is right here is going to be the page. You're going to go over here to add to list. Now I use these lists for like my YouTube stuff and my quick stuff that I want to keep, and I normally tell Alexa to add things to my list. What I can actually do here, if you scroll down, is you can add it to your influencer page. So what I'll do is I click on TJ's Tech Stuff, and it's added. So now that product is going to be added to my tech stuff. Let's go to another thing. This is something really cool that I use to categorize and organize my SD cards. We'll add that to the list. Oops. We'll click right here. We'll add that to the list. All right. Let's go back to departments. We will go to electronics, and we will go to wearable technology. All right, so I like smartwatches. We'll go here to a smartwatch. This is an Apple smartwatch. We'll go ahead and click on that. We will add that to the list. All right, and another way that I like finding products is if you go look at something and then they have the recommended or sponsored products. A lot of times those are going to be things that people are going to buy in addition to whatever they purchase from you. So here's a charger. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and click on that. That's a charger, and I will add that to the list as well. What else? Actually, let's go back. Okay, so this is in the cable. I can go ahead and click on that. We'll add that to the list. All right, so we've added 6 items to our to my thing here. So I'm going to go ahead and reload the page, and as you can see, I've got all of my items right here that people can click on, and purchase directly from my store. So if I wanted to, I could funnel people to the store and they could make purchases based on this. So this is actually what people will see once they click on my store. It'll be my photo, my banner, and then it'll be my page. Now, eventually I'm going to have this filled up with different categories that people can click on, and they'll have all of my stuff that I've curated to be on my page. So this is the one we just worked on, TJ's Tech Stuff. Click on that and it pulls you to this. And if somebody clicks on one of these and makes a purchase, I'll get a commission based on that purchase. Also, the good thing about Amazon affiliate that I always tell people is that you will also get a commission if they purchase other things within that same cookie time. So once they click on your link, they buy stuff, say for instance, they go and click on this Apple Watch and they purchase it. Well, then they go in and they purchase some laundry detergent and they purchase some other things. I'll also get a cut of that. So the majority of my sales that I have on Amazon affiliates is actually not products that I'm sponsoring. It's just products that they've clicked on from my link and then they purchase other things on Amazon. So that's the cool thing about Amazon affiliates. Alright guys, that is basically it. It's super simple to go on there and to curate items and put them on your page. The next thing that you will have to do after you get your page built is you would actually have to put your page out there. You're going to have to hustle and get your page out there. I recommend putting it in every description of every video you make if you're a YouTuber. If you are an Instagram influencer or if you have an Instagram page with a lot of followers, I would suggest that you put that page inside of your bio and then funnel people to your bio to click on that link. If you have over 10,000 followers on Instagram, you can actually put links in your stories. So I will make epic stories, which I'm going to make a video in a couple weeks about creating epic Instagram stories. So you would put them in your stories and then they can swipe up to get to your store and make those purchases. If you have a Twitter, you can share your store page on your Twitter account and get funnel people in that way. There's so many different ways you can get people to your site, but you have to make sure that you put your links out there so people can actually get to your site. So that's going to be all for today. If you guys want to see more videos like this, I do a video on side hustles on Sunday, I do tutorials on Thursday, and I do randomness on Tuesday. So if you want to see any of those videos, hit that subscribe button, give me a like on this video. I really appreciate it, guys. See you.
I'm a couple 100 miles from Japan and I was thinking I could fly to your hotel tonight, 'cause I can't get you off my